Hi! In front of me is iPad 10th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Notes. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold one of those apps, in my case Files. When you're ready, drag it to one of the sides of your screen, and when you see this black area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and exit it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!